Imagine a snake so massive it could swallow a crocodile whole. Today, we delve into the epic showdown between two prehistoric titans, Vasuki indicus and Titanoboa cerrigenesis. In 2009, paleontologists unearthed fossils of Titanoboa in Colombia's Cerrejón coal mine. This colossal serpent lived approximately 58 million years ago during the Paleocene epoch. Fast forward to 2024, when researchers in Gujarat, India, discovered remains of Vasuki indicus in the Naredi Formation. Dating back 47 million years to the Middle Eocene, this snake adds a new contender to the list of ancient giants. Titanoboa is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 14 meters and weighed over 1,135 kilograms. Vasuki indicus, based on vertebral measurements, is estimated to have been between 10.9 to 15.2 meters long. While its exact weight remains uncertain, its size suggests it was among the largest snakes ever discovered. Titanoboa thrived in the warm, humid rainforest of ancient Colombia, likely spending much of its time in water, similar to modern anacondas. Its aquatic lifestyle supported its massive size and helped regulate its body temperature. In contrast, Vasuki indicus inhabited swampy regions of what is now India. Its vertebral structure suggests a more terrestrial or semi-aquatic lifestyle resembling that of today's large pythons. Both snakes were non-venomous constrictors. Titanoboa likely preyed on large fish and crocodiles, using its immense strength to subdue them. Vasuki indicus, with its considerable size, probably hunted similarly, ambushing prey such as turtles, crocodiles, and possibly early whales. The discovery of Titanoboa reshaped our understanding of post-dinosaur ecosystems, highlighting how reptiles dominated after the mass extinction. Vasuki indicus adds to this narrative, emphasizing the widespread distribution and diversity of giant snakes in prehistoric times. While Titanoboa holds the title for the heaviest snake known, Vasuki indicus challenges it in length, showcasing the incredible scale of prehistoric serpents. These discoveries not only fascinate but also provide invaluable insights into Earth's evolutionary history.